Could you have ever imagined that Cambodia, once known for its historic temples, is now emerging as a hotbed for thriving businesses? The Cambodian business landscape is growing rapidly with a development pace that's catching the world's attention. This transformation has given rise to a variety of successful sectors. Today we will be taking you on a journey through the top 5 businesses that are currently dominating the Cambodian market. So without further ado, let's dive into the countdown of the top 5 businesses in Cambodia. Starting the countdown at number 5, we have the backbone of Cambodia's economy: agriculture. This sector is as diverse as it is vital, with rice farming, rubber plantations, and fisheries making up the lion's share. Rice in particular is a key player, with Cambodia being one of the top rice exporters in the world. Rubber plantations, too, are a significant contributor, with their yield finding its way into a myriad of products globally. Then, there's the fisheries subsector, providing both local sustenance and international exports. But what's really exciting is the introduction of innovative farming techniques that have propelled this sector's growth. Think smart irrigation systems, precision farming, and sustainable practices, all contributing to increased productivity and reduced environmental impact. These advancements have not only bolstered the economy but also improved the livelihood of countless Cambodian farmers. Agriculture has indeed proven to be a green goldmine for Cambodia. Taking the 4th spot, we have the sector that has been putting Cambodia on the global map: tourism. Over the past few years, this sector has seen exponential growth, becoming a significant pillar of Cambodia's booming economy. Famous for its breathtaking attractions like the majestic Angkor Wat, Cambodia has been luring travelers worldwide. But it's not just about the historical sites. Cambodia's tourism industry is also celebrated for its commitment to sustainable and responsible tourism practices. From eco-friendly accommodations to initiatives that support local communities, the industry has been making strides in ensuring that tourism benefits everyone involved. This focus on sustainability, coupled with the country's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty, has only increased the allure of Cambodia as a must-visit destination. As more people around the globe seek authentic and responsible travel experiences, Cambodia's tourism sector is perfectly poised to meet this demand. Tourism, it seems, is the new passport to economic growth for Cambodia. Coming in at number 3, we have the sector that's powering Cambodia's economy: manufacturing. This industry has seen an impressive rise, becoming a vital player in the country's economic growth. The manufacturing sector is diverse, with key players in garments, footwear, and electronics. These industries are not only creating jobs but also transforming Cambodia into a global manufacturing hub. The government's keen interest in promoting manufacturing has played a pivotal role in this growth story. They've rolled out attractive incentives for businesses, creating a conducive environment for industry development. But that's not all. Cambodia's competitive edge in manufacturing can also be credited to its workforce. The availability of cheap labor has made the country an attractive destination for both local and foreign investors, contributing significantly to the sector's expansion. Manufacturing surely is the engine that's driving Cambodia's economic train. Just missing out on the top spot, at number 2 we have real estate. The real estate sector in Cambodia is experiencing an unprecedented boom. From the rise of towering condos to sprawling commercial buildings and bustling shopping malls, the landscape is changing at an astonishing pace. But what's driving this growth? It's the surge of foreign investments pouring into the country. Investors from across the globe are recognizing the potential of Cambodia's real estate sector and are keen to capitalize on it. This influx of foreign capital is not just reshaping the skyline, but also fueling the growth of the Cambodian economy. Real estate indeed is building a strong foundation for Cambodia's economy. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Taking the top spot, we have e-commerce. The exponential growth of e-commerce in Cambodia is a sight to behold. It's not just about buying and selling anymore, it's about transforming the way Cambodians shop. Popular e-commerce platforms have revolutionized the marketplace, making everything available at the touch of a button. But what's driving this change? 2 words: internet penetration and smartphone usage. As more and more Cambodians get connected and go digital, the e-commerce sector is experiencing a massive boost. It's like watching a giant take its first steps, and those steps are confident and sure. E-commerce undoubtedly is the future of Cambodia's economy.